How to get rid of wrinkles under eyes or face with coffee mask made in this way. There are many ways to absorb the beauty values of coffee, and today's video is about a recipe to make a coffee mask, which is efficient in getting rid of wrinkles under eyes. If you look at beauty magazines, coffee will be found to be a great beauty tool, beneficial for treatments of puffiness, dark circles, eye swelling, especially wrinkles under eyes. Because caffeine in coffee helps protect cells against UV radiation and slows down photochemical processes, reducing premature wrinkles. Furthermore, it can also firm the skin, fight free radicals, leading to wrinkles decrease. Before using this mask, clean your face very carefully with your usual facial cleanser, or you can use apple cider vinegar as a natural cleanser, but should not use it daily. When your face is cleansed, start to prepare this mask as the following simple steps. Firstly, you need to prepare virgin coconut oil. Research has shown that coconut oil has positive antioxidants that can help slow down the appearance of wrinkles and delay the aging process. Oxidation is one of the main reasons for wrinkles under the eyes appear, and coconut oil may help reduce free radical damage. Take a clean bowl and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. It is important to use only virgin coconut oil and not the cosmetic variant. And now, you can add the main ingredient, 2 tablespoons of coffee powder. Give the mixture a good stirring, making sure that the coffee powder and coconut oil are well incorporated. This mixture will boost the production of collagen and encourages the regeneration of cells in your skin, leading to effectively fade away wrinkles. Now, touch the mixture and apply it to your under eye areas and face. Leave the mask to dry, up to 15 minutes. After this time, remove all the powder completely from your face and rinse with water. After applying this mask, you should massage the area under the eyes and face gently with the coffee oil by your ring finger for about 3 to 4 minutes. This will help build natural collagen and elastin to prevent wrinkles come back. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can wipe off the oil or sleep with it. Use this coffee mask 3 to 4 times a week for fast and effective results. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.